totallee cases for the iPhone XS, iPhone X, and the iPhone XS Max. So I want to give a shout out to Totallee for sending these over. So let's dive right in. Let's check out the smaller case first. As you can see, comes in this simple packaging, Totallee up front, and on this side, a slim and minimal iPhone case. California based, comes with a 2-year warranty as you can see, and totalleecase.com. So let's open this up. Just gonna rip it open like so, and let's check out the case. Throw that to the side, and this is the case itself. Yeah, as you can see, super thin. There, let me get this out of the way so you can see the case. Super thin case. Check out the bottom. Okay, so let's just go ahead and put this is actually the iPhone X from last year, but the iPhone XS is pretty much the same phone as this, dimensionally. So I'm gonna go ahead and just slide the phone in. Here, let me do this behind the camera. So got the case on, and as you can see from the front, you cannot even tell that your iPhone has a case on it. Flipping it over in the back, and it's gonna look like that. And wow, if you want a simple matte black case, if you want a sleek and stealthy look on your iPhone without adding any bulk, consider this case. Wow. Matte finish, so you're not gonna have a lot of fingerprints with this one. And this looks really good back here. And taking a close look at the camera hump, the case also protrudes along with the camera, and the cutouts on the bottom are nice and precise. You have your cutouts on the buttons, so the functionality should not be affected. As you can see, still works, and access to the alert slider, no issues with that. And obviously, since this is a super thin case, you're not gonna get a front lip with this one, so I recommend rocking a tempered glass. So this is their super thin case for the iPhone XS and iPhone X. Let's take a look at the bigger one. Go ahead and open this. And as you can see, pretty much the same case as previously, but for the XS Max. So let's go ahead and slide this phone in. Go ahead and do this behind the camera. All right, got the case on. And from the front, just like on the smaller one, cannot even tell that you have a case on your iPhone XS Max. You flip it over in the back and it's gonna look like that, giving your iPhone a matte black finish, sleek and stealthy look. Checking out the hump for the camera, protection right there. You have your cutouts on the buttons, so functionality of that should not be affected. Still work, and the alert slider, access to that, no problem. Looking at the cutouts on the bottom, nice and precise. So you're not gonna have a front lip with this one. So I recommend rocking a tempered glass with a matte finish, no fingerprints on the back. So these are the super thin cases for the iPhone X, iPhone XS, and XS Max from Totallee. If you're interested in this, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.